Good evening, Ashwini Kumar. Your interview is going to be on which date and in which place?
Sir, my interview is on 29th of October and it is in Chandigarh.
Excellent. Now, is this your first or second mock with me?
It is my second mock, sir.
Very good. Very nice. Mr. Ashwini Kumar, once again, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. So, good morning, sir. My name is Ashwini Kumar. I am basically from Ludhiana district of Punjab. So, I talking about my studies, sir. I did my schooling from RS Model Senior Secondary School with 92% marks, and after that, I did my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce in SCD Government College from Punjab University itself, and after in 2019. And after that, sir, I did my MBA in Marketing and Finance in 2023 from Punjab Technical University. I'm hardworking, obedient, disciplined, and optimistic person, sir. Apart from this, talking about my experience, sir, I had experience of both financial management and business management also, where I used to work with both B2B and B2C customers. I also had experience of operational works also. Apart from this, sir, I am a team leader. I'm a team leader and lead. I have a skills of leadership also. Which I used to show during many like activities in college times, like fashion shows, like partnership deeds programs, which is going to have which used to go happen in a college. And apart from this, sir, talking about my hobbies, I like to play cricket and watch cricket, and I have an interest in traveling also, and I like to see some geopolitical news also.
Good. You told nicely. Very happy. Ashwani Kumar, what is the latest cricket news?
So the latest cricket news is that first there were two cricket news. First of all, I think New Zealand cricket women team won the T20 match, T20 World Cup. The second one is New Zealand beat
T20
the India
World Cup? T20
T20
World
World
Cup?
Cup. Yes, sir.
No.
That is happened in India, I think so.
When was it?
It was within it like 2 or 3 days away. Last week it happens in India.
No,
T20
no, but
Women's World
that's what I'm asking.
Women.
Because gents, it is only season. Na? Some season they have won. New Zealand has won a season in the test matches. No?
Yeah, New Zealand beats India in the second test match. And apart from this, there is also sir, like India A beats the Afghanistan A recently. Like there is a match
Oh,
series happening, the emerging cricket series happening, where India is performing a very good, very good.
no, no. But in one newspaper, I read in New Zealand, somewhere in, say, in New Zealand team has beaten India. And they have written very
Yes,
bad
sir.
about India's performance, that it has gone so down bad in the performance, something like that I read. Maybe it
Yeah,
is
that is
relating to, because the season has been won by New Zealand. I think it is a three-match series, out of which two have been won by probably
New
New
Zealand.
Zealand. I don't know. Yeah, very good.
Yes, sir. It is in the test series, sir. After
Yeah,
12 years, India lose a home series. So that's why I think
that
they
is it.
wrote in the news.
Yeah. Who is the captain of our cricket team and captain of New Zealand team?
Sir, the captain of our Indian cricket team is Rohit Sharma, and the captain of New Zealand cricket team, sir, I am right now not able to recall. I think it is
Mhm.
Santner. I'm not able to recall, sir.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Now, good. Let us come to your academics. You said you have participated as leader for various programs and all that, and then you have also worked in B2B and B2C. What is that B2B you have worked on?
Yes, sir. So, sir, after my graduation, there is a 2 years of gap. So, at that time, I worked with Vardhaman Textile Limited. So, where I was working, and we used to deal with the B2B customer. Like the prime product was the yarn. So, we used to deal the yarn, and we used to sell the yarn. So, the other party is basically the big party. So, And our party, Bardhaman, is a big firm, so that is basically B2B for business we were doing.
Okay. What is the B2C business you have had experience?
The B2C businesses was the Mahindra Holidays, which I used to work after my MBA. So here we used to sell the membership to the customers. So that is totally B2C.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, good. Wait 1 minute. Nachiketa,
Yes, sir.
Nachiketa, when did you join our group?
I joined yesterday.
Yesterday, HR? Oh, correct. Very good. Um, yeah, 1 minute. I'll come to you later. I will complete Ashwani Kumar's and then come to you. Ashwani Kumar,
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
please tell us about the achievement you have made in the school or college or office.
Yes, sir. So one of the achievement which I like the most during my school time, sir. In 10th, I scored around 90%. So our school is basically Arya Samaji school. So in our school, every year, say, President APJ Abdul Kalam comes in our annual function. So because of that, because of our marks, student was selected, I got a chance to meet him. So that is one of the biggest achievement. Which with that meeting, I also remember each and every day. Whenever I'm not, I feel demotivated. I recall that meeting and I feel motivated. And talking about like school time, college time, sir, in like when I was doing MBA, sir, I had the experience with financial management, so I got the chance many times to lead my group, particular group, my team. So either in partnership deeds, I know what to do, how to draft a partnership deed, and how to be a specific at a particular things. And apart from this, I was also a team captain of my teams in badminton, cricket team, and many more sports which used to happen in my school, college. And these are the things which right now I'm able to recall, sir.
Don't add many more sports because
Okay, sir.
that doesn't look nice. You are vague about it.
Okay.
Then another point is, hmm, see, when you were telling um, one small improvement, I thought you can make. You were telling demotivated. Whenever I feel demotivated, never use such expressions in interviews.
Done, sir. Noted.
Why should you feel demotivated at this age? What is your age?
27, sir.
27. Acha. 27 is okay, but then don't use the word demotivated, frustration. These words are negative words which should not be used in interviews unless they ask you, what do you do to get motivated? That is different. Or if they ask you, how do you motivate yourself? That is different. But now, ourselves, we should not go and fall into the trap by telling when I get demotivated, they will ask again question, what are the occasions you felt demotivated? What was the reason? Please explain. Again, the entire interview will go in a negative angle. Do you follow?
Done, sir. Yes, sir. I noted it.
Yeah, yeah. Now, please tell me which bank you are having account.
Sir, I have an account in State Bank of India.
Yeah, good. Now, please tell me, um, say, wh- what are the products of Federal Bank you are knowing, and tell me what are the plus points of our product in comparison to other bank products. They are using the word other bank. They are not telling State Bank or Indian Bank like that. Simply they say other bank products. So this is the question. How are you going to tackle this? This question I expect in your case. Tell me.
Okay, sir. So first of all, sir, if I compare the products of the Federal Bank, first Federal Bank is offering a wide range of products starting from saving accounts, current accounts, fixed deposits, RD. And apart from this, they are also providing the loan facilities. Like they are providing loan facilities in education, agriculture, business loans, personal loans. And if I specifically compare the products, let me compare the product of personal loans and educational loans with any other product, any other bank. So the prime features of the federal banks is Federal Bank in both the personal loan and educational loan, Federal Bank provides the feature of pre-closure without any charge. So what they, if anyone is taking that loan, so they can close the bank if they have the money, they can close before the time period, and they do not need to pay any extra charges. And the whole process in the federal bank is digitalized and it is transparent. So it gains more trust in the customer that whatever is happening, they are able to know that what is the stage, what will be the next stage. Apart from this, the interest rate comparatively, sir, low. If you compare to the private banks interest rate, it is comparatively low. And if I compare to the public bank sector, sir, there are less processing fees. There are less processing time. Pardon.
Charges,
So
charges, and also processing time. Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah.
So
But
this
but I would suggest you are checking with the State Bank of India. What are their
mm,
processing charges? Please check up, because when we
sir,
speak, we must have some information. With which bank did you compare that our processing charges is low? If they ask like that, you must be able to tell some idea.
so I should compare. I should compare. Okay.
No, I mean, I know we are, you may not
No, no.
know it at this stage, but if you know that, you can speak with confidence. For
No,
example,
no.
if you know it,
Yes, sir. I know it. I just want to
so
say I should compare just for my knowledge so that I can say it confidently.
yeah, that is the thing. Supposing this is to help you. Supposing they ask one counter question, then that is the problem. That is why.
Done, sir.
Normally they
No,
don't. Normally they will not ask. But if they have more time and they want to talk to you, they can put this cross question to you. In which case, you should not blink. No, sir, I have not seen, sir. We should not
yes,
say
sir.
so.
Then it will be like the my first answer will also be like false. They will say that he is saying in
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay, sir. I will.
Now,
I have.
you please get to know. And if processing charge of our federal bank is not lower, you try to highlight about the processing time and the
Time.
kindness and the welcomeness with which cannot be measured, which cannot
Yes, sir.
be, you speak like that, that will be good. Even here, if they ask you how did you form this impression, that is what some of the people who have had account with the federal bank, they told me. Which person, you just give some imaginary name, that's all.
Done, sir.
Do you got the point?
Yes, sir. I got. I also noted in my diary.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. What is your father, Ashwani Kumar?
Sir, my father is in the profession of driving. He is working for a private firm in Ludhiana.
Acha. How many siblings Ashwani Kumar has?
Sir, I have a elder brother and I have a younger sister. My younger sister is basically pursuing law.
Acha. She is studying law. How much you are interested in law?
Sir, I am interested in law to get so like I'm not that much interested in LLB degree.
Mm-hmm. Acha, acha. No, you are not interested in taking a degree. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is your comment regarding the performance of Federal Bank in the recent past?
So as sir, when I
Y-
see the
But
quarter one result,
you should take only quarter one result. Don't, because
yes, sir.
quarter two is not revealed till now.
Yes, sir.
So take, yeah.
I was just going to answer in the same way. So I was saying that when I saw the result of quarter one of federal banks, so there were many things which I noticed. The first thing is the deposits and the advances. It was very quite impressive. The deposits were around 2.66 lakh crores, and the advances were around 2.22 lakh crores. And if you see, there were also a good return on equity, that is around 13.6064 percentage. And the positive side about NPA also, sir, it is very low, that is 0.60 percentage. And talking about the negative side about the results, which I compare is the first thing is the advances, it is around 2.20 lakh crore, and I think it creates a lot of risk. So I think it should be minimized from my point of view. Apart from this, the when I see the income statement, there is a, like from last quarter, there is a slightly decrease in the income from corporate affairs, corporate banking. So that thing should be improved.
Now, why do you say that the advance figure is not favorable?
Pardon, sir?
You said that advance figures is more and that is not good. Why? What makes you say so?
Because, sir, I think it creates more risk of non-payment, like.
No, no, that is also one reason. Another reason you can say is, say,
Hmm.
4.5% bank has to keep in the form of CRR,
Yes.
and 18% it has to keep in the form of SLR.
Hmm.
So,
Yes, sir.
allowing for these two, the balance left is only 77.5
Okay.
percentage. Whereas now the figure shows that it is 83%, 2.21 divided by 2.66 into 100.
2.21 divided by 2.63. Yes. Loan advances upon deposit into 100.
Yeah, that will give you 83%. So that means about 5% of the deposits advances are more than what the bank can lend. But this they would have lent how? By borrowing from some other units or bringing some fresh tier 2 capital and all that, which would have really cost more money. So that will reduce the profitability of the bank also. Maybe this is a extended thinking. You can just say like that. Do you follow?
Yes, sir. I follow this thing.
What is the quarterly net profit of our bank as on 30th June?
So the quarterly net profit of the bank is around 1,010 crores.
Good. What was the ROA as on quarter one?
So return on asset of the federal bank is 1.27%.
You're an MBA student. Can you explain what is ROA?
Sir, ROA basically refers to the returns on assets. So it is basically tells that how much a company or bank is able to earn a money from the uh, m- uh, from earn the how much a bank is able to get the money back from the money invested in assets. So it is basically represented in a percentage form.
In other words, profit divided by total assets
Total
into 100.
amount.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is ROE? And you can tell the formula itself better. You
ROE
tell the
basically, sir,
no, no. You tell the formula and explain about it. ROE.
R ROE, sir, can be calculated by dividing total profit, total net profit, and divided by the total capital.
Equity capital. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. That's nice. You told nicely. Now, what is the Federal Bank share price now?
So the Federal Bank share price right now is around 124 rupees. 184 rupees,
One
pardon. 84.
184. Okay. 186, 84. Fine. What is the market capitalization?
The market capitalization of Federal Bank is, sir, around $456 billion.
Billion dollar?
Billion rupees.
Hmm, that's a mistake.
I
So
was high.
how much is $1 now per in terms of rupees?
Sir, it is around 82 rupees.
84.
I was not ready for this question.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
sir.
84, 84. You should know before going for the interview, you should go through the RBI website and note
Hmm.
down these rates: repo rate,
Yes.
reverse repo rate, then SDF, then bank rate, then what is the other one? That is the MSF rate, then all these latest information about BS Bombay Stock Exchange rate, National Stock Exchange rate, then share price of Federal Bank. Just these things you must get to know, and then only start for the and the value of dollars, dollar, pound sterling, and all that. Okay.
Done, sir.
MD Patro.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard this name?
Yes, sir. I have heard this name, MD Patra.
Who is he?
Sir, he is the like deputy governor of our Reserve Bank of India, and he's also the CEO of D DIGCG DICGCG.
DICGC.
Yes, sir. I have some
Yeah.
confusion in it. DICGC. See,
DICGC, like ECGC. What is the expansion of ECGC?
sir, I'm not able to recall.
Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. What is the expansion of DICGC?
Sir, the expansion of DICGC is Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Correct. Good. You told rightly. Very nice. Now, how many happy customers are there with
Sorry,
Federal
sir, I'm
Bank?
not able to hear you. Hello.
How many happy customers are there with Federal Bank?
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you please recall?
Acha, acha, 1 minute. 1 minute. Um,
Hello.
now I am able to hear you, but you are not able to hear me?
I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hello. I've changed the mic now. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Are
Right
you
now I'm able
able to
to.
hear me? Have I switched
Yes, sir.
off
I'm able.
this? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm
Ashwani
able to hear
Kumar,
you. Yes, sir. I'm able to hear you. Are you able to hear me?
your mic is muted.
Are you able to
Ashwani
hear me, sir?
Kumar, your mic was muted. Are you able to
Am
hear
I?
me?
Yes, sir. Am I audible to you?
Ashwani Kumar. Acha, Krishna Unni, are you able to hear me? Krishna Unni, are you able to hear me? Nachi Keta, are you able
Yes,
to
sir.
hear
Yes, sir.
me?
I can hear you. You're
Yes, sir,
audible,
you
sir.
are
You're
audible.
audible.
Can you
Something
hear me?
wrong? Correctly.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Were you not able to hear me for last half a minute or so? I
I
was
was
talking.
able to hear you. Initially, I was not able to hear you. Then I was able to hear you, but you was not able to hear me.
Acha. Something wrong. Doesn't
Yes, sir.
matter. Yeah, doesn't matter. Leave it. Don't worry. Now, where are we now? I was asking about happy customers in Federal Bank.
So the happy customer in Federal Bank is sir around 1.85 crores.
Good. How many banking outlets are there in our bank?
So Federal Bank has around 1,518 banking outlets in India.
When did you see this figure?
Sir, I see this figure in the quarter one report.
Wrong. But maybe as on that day, but right now, this is the figure they are giving online.
But sir, I have a doubt like which figure I need to
You
like
need to tell this only. See, okay, we are talking about first quarter figure. But while talking in interview, you can tell the figure that is available in the website openly. It changes. Number of branches, number of ATMs, this figure changes. But deposit figure will not, it may change, but it is not revealed outside. Do you get the difference?
Yes, sir, I got the
Yeah.
difference. So
So
can I say
now
it like it is around 50, it has branches more than 1,500, like 1,500
that
plus
is too
branches.
that is too bad. You
Okay.
come up to 1530 and say 1535 and say not 1500. That is too low.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Done,
these
done.
things you should mug it up.
Done, sir. Noted.
Yeah. Now, next question for you is say, what is the difference between lien and hypothecation?
The difference between the hypothecation and
Lien, banker's lien. Have you not heard about it?
sir, I know the meaning of the hypothecation, but I'm not able to recall the banker's lien.
Banker's lien is the right a banker has to retain the assets for the dues to him. For example, a person has taken a gold loan and he adjusts the gold loan. Now the banker is supposed to return the gold. But
Yes.
unfortunately, the person has some other overdraft account which has become overdue and he has not regularized it. Now, under this situation, bank can exercise its lien and can refuse to return the gold. Do you
Yes.
follow? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir, I
this
follow.
right is known as banker's lien. Hypothecation comes where the goods are charged to the bank and it is movable, like say scooter, car, lorry, etc. And the hypothecation is entered in the RC book and also in the insurance books of insurance policy of the customer. Okay.
Done, sir.
Yeah. What is pledge? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is pledge?
Sir, I heard this term, but right now I'm not able to recall.
Pledge happens in the case of gold loan, where a person taking loan against the jewel pledges his jewel to the bank and takes the money. And the possession lies with the banker. Ownership lies with the customer. Understand?
Yeah,
In the
yeah,
case
I
of
know.
hypothecation also, ownership lies with the customer. Possession also lies with the customer.
Yes, I have read this term, but right now
Why
I
are
was.
you not remembering these simple points? Of course, during the last 20 days, we have never discussed all these issues because in our federal bank, they have not been asking these things. But these are normally questions that can be asked in a finance candidate's interview.
Yes, I was planning to recall all the things a day ago so that I will able to remember.
Yeah, now what is a break-even point?
So break-even point is at that point where basically there is no profit, no loss situation. So that
Good.
point is called.
That's right. That is sufficient. Can you explain about repo rate, how it helps our economy?
No. So sir, repo rate is basically a tool used by the Reserve Bank of India, and it is basically helps to control the inflation. So whenever there is a high inflation, what Reserve Bank of India can do, they can increase the repo rate also, which ultimately results in high interest rates in the form of loans, and which results in slow spending from the people. So in that way, repo rate RBI can use the repo rate to control the inflations.
The lower spending by the people, that term is not good. The higher interest rate makes borrowers to borrow less from the bank, which
Okay.
results in lower money circulation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Now, Which question you feel I should have asked, but I have not asked you?
Sir, the marketing question, like the product.
Acha. Oh, very good, very good. Now, please tell me, um, what can justify you to be taken into our bank? Because our job requires more than 50% efforts for marketing our products. So please demonstrate your successes in marketing.
Okay. So first of all, sir, I was just want to say that, I had an experience of both financial management and marketing management. So which makes me to be suitable for that position. Apart from this, sir, I have the personality of both. I am that personality which has the knowledge of both financial management and marketing management, which I think is suitable for the job. And apart from this, sir, uh, I'm a person, if I'm not able to do, if I think there is something like difficult, I have that skill that I will not quit, and I will try to learn, and I will try to put my all efforts to achieve that thing. I will take my seniors advice also. I will indulge my juniors also in order to achieve that thing. So from that point of view, I think I am suitable for this post.
Now, you did not explain about the successes you had in terms of marketing.
Okay. Yes, sir. So shall I tell you?
Yeah.
So, sir, talking about my successes, sir, during my college days, there were many projects which I used to do. One of the project was like I was working with in an internship with a startup that was basically a turmeric latte. So I used to go to bank and different offices just to tell them what is your opinion, just to get the opinion of them. And at the end, sir, at the end of the day, I was able to sell many that turmeric latte pouches. So it was one of the good experience. And apart from this, sir, even during my jobs, I was able to sell the membership product to the members. So even right now, they are calling me
What is
that.
the turmeric something you said? What is it?
So turmeric latte. So it is basically a turmeric powders which you can use instead of your tea, and it is totally Ayurvedic, and it is good for health.
It is for tooth powder.
Pardon, sir?
Is it a tooth powder?
No, no, it is like a latte, sir, like a coffee latte. So I don't
अच्छा.
have.
No, but इधर साउथ इंडिया में ये फेमस नहीं है. अच्छा अच्छा. Hmm. The
It is becoming.
the it
Yeah.
is becoming famous now.
Yes, sir. It is an Indian concept which is becoming famous in Europe and America also. So
Oh,
it is
oh,
very famous in health
right.
conscious.
No, but here you must tell about the number of packets you have been able to sell effectively. You must impress on that. Similarly, when you said number of membership you sold, you should tell I could sell about 50 members within 1 week, or I could sell so many lattes within 1 week. Something like that you should specifically tell with the numbers.
Yes, sir, I noted.
Last question. I want you to get 125 savings bank accounts within 1 month. Ashwani Kumar, how are you going to achieve it?
So first of all, sir, in order to achieve this target, I will like I will start with my family also, friends and family, sir, and I will get some reference from them also. Apart from this, talking about the market, sir, I will do the segmentation of the market, like what is the, like for a particular area on a geographical basis and income basis, what is the what is their need. I will then definitely identify their needs, and as per their need, I will pitch them the right product. And I will also take my team's help, sir, also in order to achieve this target.
You can add some more points also, like say, I will visit the nearby schools, colleges, factories,
Yes, yes.
and address the people. Then I will also possible go for door-to-door canvassing of houses and shops in my area. and I will also use my social websites, social contacts like LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp
Yes.
for getting more people into the account opening. I will request them to use Fed 24 by 7 so that they can open the account even they need not come to the bank also. Like that, you can tell and close this question.
Yes.
Okay, best wishes. Thank you. You did well, but latest your subject related questions thoda padana hai. I have not gone into ratio analysis and all. So there also sometimes they may ask. Nowadays they are not asking. Fir bhi,
Hmm.
it depends on your luck, If the manager who is going to interview you is an MCOM student or MBA, he will ask. If the manager is an engineer, then he may not be interested in all these things. He will go more into marketing only. It depends.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Best wishes. God
I
help
have
you.
one doubt.
You please attend the interview. Send the questions they are asking.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, just a short one doubt. Like in the interview, you asked me that what have your point regarding law? So I said that I am not interested in LLB degree. So is it the right way to say?
That is not a right answer. The right answer will be law. You could have told. I just asked you what are your views on law.
Hmm.
The easy. I mean, not the easy. The familiar answer could have been law is an important element in any society because that regulates people how they should conduct themselves. And the enforcement of law is also very important, and laxity in that will affect the society's concentration or effectiveness. And this is general idea. Law is an important thing. But don't tell law is an ass. That is the normal famous saying, but we cannot tell that in interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm. And who is the present Chief Justice of India?
Sir D.Y. Chandrachud.
Who is going to be the next Chief Justice?
Mr. Sanjeev Khanna. Shri
Good.
Sanjeev Khanna.
Correct. Thank you. Bye bye.